Welcome to my channel. Link Amazon Echo to Linksys Wi-Fi in minutes, beginner guide. 1. Power on your Amazon Echo. Plug in your Amazon Echo device and wait until the light turns orange. 2. Install the Alexa app. Download and install the Amazon Alexa app from the Play Store or App Store. 3. Sign in to your Amazon account. Open the Alexa app and sign in using your Amazon account credentials. 4. Connect phone to Linksys Wi-Fi. Make sure your smartphone is connected to your Linksys Wi-Fi network. 5. Open device settings. In the Alexa app, tap Devices, Echo and Alexa. 6. Select your Echo device. Choose your Amazon Echo from the list of available devices. 7. Start Wi-Fi setup. Tap Change next to Wi-Fi network or select Setup device. 8. Put Echo in setup mode. If needed, press and hold the action button until the light turns orange. 9. Choose Linksys Wi-Fi network. Select your Linksys Wi-Fi name and enter the Wi-Fi password. 10. Complete setup. Wait for confirmation that your Echo is connected successfully. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.